In this video, I'd like to show you how I installed the water system for a bathroom that I'm fully renovating, and also how I performed the pressure test on the pipes. In this case, we used plastic fusion pipes, PPR pipes. First, we can see the distribution of the plastic pipes throughout the bathroom. The hot water pipe runs above, and the cold water pipe runs below. This is because heat naturally rises. And if the hot water pipe were placed underneath, the rising heat could cause condensation inside the wall. We have cold and hot water inlets, each with its own shutoff. Valve. Then, we have a cold water outlet for the toilet. Next, we have cold and hot water outlets for the bidet. We also have the shower mixer connection. And finally, the cold and hot water outlets for the sink. Since the entire installation is complete, the next step is to perform a final test to check for any leaks in the pipe joints. This test is called a hydraulic pressure test, and it involves applying more water pressure than normal using a manual hydraulic pump and leaving the pipes pressurized with water for an entire day. If the next day the pressure gauge shows no drop in pressure, it means there are no leaks. The installation is successful, and we can safely cover the pipes with cement. Since the water supply for this bathroom comes from an upper floor, we need to inject water from above, and we must also allow the air to escape as the pipes fill with water. Once all the air has been purged, we can close the shutoff valve and start applying pressure with water. In my case, we'll bring the pressure up to 6 bars, which is higher than the normal household pressure. After one full day, the pressure gauge didn't drop at all, and we also checked every pipe joint carefully for any sign of water leakage. There were absolutely no leaks, meaning the hydraulic pressure test was a complete success. Always remember, before sealing walls with cement, you must perform this test. It ensures there will be no water leaks in the future, saving you from major headaches. Cheers!